Guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the vlog. We have a lot of things to do today. Today we do have kind of like an errands day, kind of just like whatever kind of day. You need to do a couple things around the condo. We have to go get the car wash. We have to go to the gym. I have to do some brand deals, some editing of some YouTube videos, possibly dye my hair. There's a lot of things to do today. It's pretty mundane things today, but you guys have really been enjoying these solo diaries, and you feel like you're like my friend coming along with me, and I feel like you guys are my friend coming along with me for the day. So we're gonna keep doing these, even as mundane and boring as I think they might be. You might be really enjoying them. If you are enjoying them, please let me know in the comments below. It's Wednesday. I leave for New York next Thursday. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to go. It's something nice, like something to like look forward to, you know, because after this I really don't have anything to look forward to. It's like Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, then my birthday, and then possibly starting to plan to move. And it's crazy. I was thinking the other day, it's the middle of October and I've been here since June. It's flown by. It's felt like no time at all, which I'm so happy about. If you guys do like these videos, if you do like my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do, because it would really help me out and helping to achieve my goal of moving back to New York. Hope you guys really enjoy this vlog, so let's just get into the day. First thing we need to do is get ready for the gym, but I'm gonna throw on some sunscreen. This is CeraVe's. Is this their actual face one? Yeah, 30 Face. This is one of the only sunscreens that I have found that doesn't have like an allergic reaction on my skin. I'm not really allergic to many things in life. I think there's some ingredients in sunscreen that kind of gives like little bumps all over my face, but CeraVe doesn't do that. And then I'm putting some bronzing drops. These ones are by e.l.f. because otherwise it's so white that it takes a long time for it to blend into my skin, and then my face still looks like, hi sisters, you know, a little bronzing drops in there just to kind of mellow it out a little bit. And then I still need to spot conceal. I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I really just kind of use whatever I have currently in my collection. Just using that to spot conceal any areas that I don't love. And I'm just going to use like the tiniest bit of powder just to keep it in place a little bit. This one is actually by TikTok Shop. This is the Mco Beauty Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder. It's supposed to be a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury. So that's our gym makeup. I also want to put like these things away. I was out with Autumn. That was in my last vlog. We did some shopping and I saw this. We went to TJ Maxx and I got this. This is the Beauty Creations like translucent powder, which I actually discovered when I did my full face of TJ Maxx makeup and I loved it. So I just picked up another one. It was also on sale. It's like $6. I don't know how much it is actually on the website because I've never actually bought it from the website. And then I got this package in the mail the other day, so I thought we would open it together. I know what it is. This is the night cream, Age Perfect Cell Renewal Midnight Cream. Let's open it up. I never have too much moisturizing. I never think it's too early to start anti-aging. I do really like L'Oreal's packaging. I think it looks very sleek, very expensive. And then they sent me the Midnight Eye Opener Eye Cream. I really need to start using eye creams. That's the one thing that I don't use very much of. Not any particular reason, but like I already have so many steps in my routine. We're adding another step, but I do really need to add some eye cream. I feel like that will be really beneficial for my face. So that is what she looks like there. So I love that. Thank you, L'Oreal. So let's go feed the kitty cats because Ivy's literally dying because she hasn't eaten since dinner last night. But let's go get them some food. I'm going to get my energy drink for the day and then we'll just see how the day goes. It's a little gloomy outside. Thinking about possibly doing my hair today. I'm doing an entire video of like kind of prep before New York, but I need to do my hair before I go to New York. So I'm just trying to time that out well. I have to dye my hair, well, bleach my hair, and then just like re-dye it. I just want it to be like a nice vibrant red for when I go to New York. So I'm just trying to time it out right, but we'll do that today as well because it is such a gloomy day. And today was really just kind of catching up on things. I feel like I'm doing something every day up until I leave. Let's get today started. Oh my gosh, I just left the gym and I did some legs today and I did this exercise where I did some squats using a plate, and I haven't done that exercise like in months. I haven't done it in a while. That was the last exercise I did, and I usually do that at the end because it does exhaust my legs the most, I would say. I'm going to be feeling that tomorrow. Like my legs, I can feel it now. But you know that you're going to get sore and you know that you're actually like working the muscle. So I don't mind that. So I just finished my workout. We're going to go right over to the car wash. Are you a person that likes like just go through the car wash, or do you like to do it yourself? I personally have always liked doing like the self car wash myself. So we're gonna go do that, which I'm glad that it stopped raining, because it was raining this morning when I left the house and I was like, oh no, I feel like I shouldn't wash the car if it's raining.
The sun'll come out tomorrow.
So the sun's out, so we're gonna go wash the car, and then I'm gonna go to BJ's and get a salad kit, because I've been basically just eating garden salad mix for like the last few weeks. Although I'm always eating salads, but I like garden mix because it like has all the stuff like already in the salad. I have at home is kind of gross. I think it went bad, so I need to go get a new one. So I'm just gonna get one back. Then we'll go home, clean the house. I think I'm gonna do my hair today because like I can feel my head is starting to get like itchy, and that's when I know that like my hair is like really greasy now. So it's time. I need to either wash it or dye it, and so I think I'm gonna dye it. Because bleaching my hair, it doesn't take that long, but it takes more time than me just jumping in the shower and putting color on my hair. So I don't want to wait till next week when I've got like all of like the last minute things I need to get done before I go on my trip. So I'm just gonna do it today. But one thing at a time. Let's go and actually wash the car. Now I think I'm also gonna go to Target because I'm still on the hunt for the Diet Coke Lime. Look at this big breath. Sorry, I will say it, I've never had a better bagel than the bagels in New York, and you best believe I'm getting some bagels when I go to New York. So we're just gonna get the lettuce. That's all I need. There she is. So let's make sure we find one that looks relatively fresh. They don't have it either. Didn't have it. I'm very disappointed. That's the second Target I've gone to because I read that they were at Target. So I'm gonna pop over to a Kroger because I've seen people find them at Kroger. We're just gonna go see if it's there because I need to try it. People are acting like this is like a new thing. I mean, if you didn't know, it's not a new thing. I used to get Diet Coke limes all the time when I was like in middle school. Had them before. They're delicious. So let's go to a Kroger, see if they've got it. I'm not gonna like run all over the place, but since I'm out, I'm like, let's go see because I just want one case of it. So let's go to Kroger. They didn't have it. It's what it is. Like, I'm not gonna go all over the place for it. Maybe one day we'll find it. It's fine. But I did get some granola. I've been thinking lately, I've been eating a lot of yogurt and I'm kind of getting just like sick of just like plain yogurt. So I wanted some granola. So this is Special K vanilla and almond. It's got 12 grams of protein. I was trying to find the one because some granolas are so expensive. So I was trying to find one that wasn't too expensive and also good protein and the least amount of sugar. And then I got a Core Power protein drink because I needed something after the gym. Also, I was coming out, this lady was like turning the corner out of the aisle and like almost hit me. And I was like, well, go ahead because you're in such a hurry. And she kind of like, you know, she was so mad that I was blocking her. And then when I passed her, she zipped by me. I'm like, you're in a parking lot. I've said this like a million times since I've moved home. I cannot wait to not have a car again. And then after I left New York, this last like year and a half having to have a car, I realized how unsafe cars are. And it's not even the cars really, it's the people, because nobody knows how to drive. Like the drivers in Michigan are horrible. So go home. I'm really hungry, so I want to go home and eat something. I'm thinking some eggs and maybe some yogurt with this granola. We're gonna clean the condo and we'll do our hair. And then I need to edit a brand deal. I need to upload that by the end of the day. So that's the plan for the rest of the day. Let's go home. Hi guys, it's been a little bit. Obviously, I'm doing my hair. This is part of like my New York prep, like doing my hair. I have to do my nails in a few days. So I'm doing a whole video on that. So I feel like that's after this. I might be on Thursday. I'm not 100% sure. So I bleached my hair and then I just put the color in. So I'm going to let this sit for as long as I can like stand it. 4:30 right now. So I probably will leave it in for at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes, because the longer you leave it in, obviously, the more color that's going to absorb into your hair. I'm a little bit worried it's going to be like really, really like fire truck red and not like a darker rich red, because I'll show this to you guys. This was one of the colors. I mixed a couple, but I put this in there thinking it was going to be like pretty dark and like a deep red because it's called vampire red. Makes me think it's gonna look like blood. We'll just have to wait and see what it is. Like, I don't really care that much as long as my roots are covered. Like, I'm not that picky when it comes to my hair. I will always make it work. So I'm just gonna let this sit into my hair for a little bit and we'll just see how it comes out in the end. I forgot to end the video, and today's Saturday. But I did want to actually do an ending to the video, because I hate when I don't do endings to a video, because I don't know, to me it just doesn't seem complete. This is my hair. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. You guys can see. I think that it came out pretty good. It's definitely a lot brighter than I was wanting. I think it'll look good. I just haven't actually like done my hair. I've just pretty much just kept it like this. I haven't actually curled my hair, so we'll see exactly how that's gonna go. I don't really know if I'm gonna curl my hair before I have to wash it again, but anyway. Also, my nails are, look at those. Ew, they look so gross. I definitely need to do my nails. I'm really trying to hold off the last possible second to do my nails, but I don't know how much more I can take. But yeah, I just wanted to actually come on here and actually finish off the video because I didn't do it the other day. I mean, I've watched the footage, but I haven't like finished editing it, and I feel like it's pretty boring. I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited to like go to New York, and I'm also excited just to move to New York because I feel like my life would just be so much more interesting, because here, like, it's just so boring here. Guys, I'm not made for the Midwest. I mean, like, it was fine growing up, but it's just not where I'm gonna end up for my entire life. So I'm gonna end the video out here. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you've already done so. It's been part of our family over here. Trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that, but if we can at least get to 3,000, that would mean a lot to me, and it would really help me on my journey of getting back to New York very quickly and very efficiently. So I love you guys so much, and I'll just see you in my next video. Bye.